All right, just wanted to show you a little something I'm working on.
Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of your OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video.
So as you scale your OnlyFans management agency, you're going to have a few different models and a few different schedules to work with, a few different posting schedules to work with. Now, you'll get to a point where you'll start outsourcing that and you'll get a VA to do the scheduling for you. But sometimes, especially if English isn't their first language, they're going to struggle. They're going to come up with some things where the models are going to message you and be like, hey, I wouldn't really post that because that's happened to us. So the more you can automate for these VAs, the better, especially templates that involve like captions or writing English, templates that involve English. Because the least I don't know if this sounded condescending, but the least English they have to use, the least risk of looking foolish and, blowing a cover or jeopardizing the image of your model. So, with that being said, I've been working on a little tool. I've been working on a little tool where the VA can simply use this to create content. So what it is there's a little basic layout here, basic posting schedule. What you'll do is you will determine the time of the OnlyFans account. Now, depending on the proxy, that's going to be the time zone. And you're going to match it with whatever time zone you know, wherever you live. And then you're going to come up with consistent times where you want the VA to post. Now, what kinds of posts? You might have a post, the CTA, call to action. Call to action is like, um, I'm bored, someone come text me, like something that gets them to, because you want the sub to engage with you. If a sub engages with you, they are more likely to purchase. So, yeah, the different types of posting captions. You could have, posts. You could have a post, a poll, call to action, an upsell caption, fundraising poll, mass, blah, blah. Now, I thought I'd come up with a clever little something to automate this. So, first of all, I've been populating the spreadsheet with a list of various different captions. Now, you might find them on websites, you might find them on forums, you might find them in courses. Then I just populate the spreadsheet or come up with your own, obviously, depending on the niche of the model. For example, we had a model or got a model that is like has a niche in the daddy's little girl niche. So we started coming up with own things that kind of work with that work with the persona of the model. And anything you come up with, you populate into the spreadsheet. Now, if you want some help with that, you can also use the unfiltered version of ChatGPT. You go and get your API key from the OpenAI playground. You input that into this bad boy, and then all of a sudden, the prompt won't be restricted by any content filtering. So you get to write sex stories, you get to write captions, whatever. So if you want to populate even more, you can use that. Now, what is this little tool? What is so cool about this little tool I mentioned? Now, you want to make it as simple for the VA as possible. You want to get it done quick. So I figured, how about we have a random selector, depending on the category of posts, and you select the category, and when you select the category, it will randomly generate a post that is listed next to that category. So here's an example. We want Daddy's little girl. So we'll find the category, and boom, it will come up with one of the captions listed there. I'm a insert ban word here because DDLG is banned. What was DDLG? Yes, that's banned, and Daddy. Anything related to Daddy's little girl is banned. No, that's it. That is actually meant to be it. Or where's dominance? The goddess wants, the goddess gets. So the VA comes in. They go, okay, it's Sunday. We need to make a normal post. So we're going to go to the normal post. We're going to come up with a whatever caption you want. Oh, there's more, by the way, outfit, whatever. And they're going to input that into Sunday along with one of the images that you have in the Google Drive folder or whatever inventory you have ready. Or the vault, actually. It's easy if you populate the vault with all the content and then you don't need to give the VA access to Google Drive folders or anything like that. So, and then they'll go, all right, Tuesday there's a poll. What do you do there? You go to the polls captions. I'm still working on this, by the way. I'm still trying to make it better and better. So it's still a little dicey, but you'll say, all right, so I want a poll. What do we have? We got a DDLG with degradation poll, dominant poll. I want a dominant poll. So you just get dominant poll. Oh, there you go. Come up with the same one. What else do we want here? There you go. What else we got here? DDLG tattoos. All right, so we'll get tattoos. And oh, see, it's still a little fucky. So we're still trying to get this one to work because we thought we'd up the game. It's not just a caption anymore. It's like find the caption and then the associated options. So we'll try that again. So we're still working on this. We'll release the beta though, before it's ready on the Empire forums. So tattoos. See, mate, what? All right, we'll go dominant. See, told you it works. I told you. See, mum, look, mum, look. So you can select dominant, then it'll come up with a poll. Do you prefer to be dominant or submissive? And it'll give you the options. So the VA goes, all right, copy that. I'll make a post, a poll on OnlyFans for what day is it? For Tuesday. I'll schedule a poll for Tuesday at whatever time. And I'll copy that into the poll. And then I'll copy these into the options. Now, call to action. The VA goes, all right, on Tuesday, later that day, they want to call to action. Normally after around dinner time, you want to, the subs have finished work. You want to give them a call to action to go online and start chatting. So the VA goes, all right, we want a call to action. What call to action should we put there? Well, it is Monday. So, no, it's Tuesday, isn't it? Do I have any Tuesday ones? I don't. Well, I haven't labeled them yet. We'll just say it's Monday. Anyway, so the VA will go, all right, it is Monday. Where's Monday? Let's generate a call to action for Monday. I have a big weekend. Oh, I've had a big weekend. Now I feel like playing. Games are open for the VA. All right, I'll copy that and paste it into the schedule for Tuesday. Now, you can extrapolate this. So currently populating with upsell captions. So these are captions that instantly just want to upsell something. So check your DMs, it's been a while. Then there's fundraising captions, still working on that. Poll captions, as I said. So we're getting there. Mass PPVs, we're getting there as well. Or yeah, as I said, or you can generate more using the unfiltered ChatGPT. Or and the posting schedule, tailor as you wish. Or if you want the VA to do multiple models, you'll just put the different models with the proxy, the browser, proxy, time zone, whatever, and just fill up. And you get the VA because with this, the VA could smash them. Like, all right, model one, yeah, we'll do that. Then we'll open up the other browser, and then we'll go, all right, we'll go through this one. And so that's what I'm working on. I will be uploading this soon to the Empire forums. This would probably be listed under, automation actually. Where's automation? Yeah, so we'll probably list under VAs, or I might list under both, or we'll list under Empire Toolbox, or no, more be content creation on it. So we'll upload it under that on the Empire forums. Everything you see on this channel will be uploaded to the Empire forum. So if you're not on there, I suggest you get on there because if you can't tell already, this looks a fuck of a lot easier than the Telegram and Discord communities. The point of developing this forum was to have less noise and more signal. And I think it's doing just that. So anyway, if you want to see this little bad boy, go to Empire forums and some other techie, nerdy automation shit that I've been working on. So if you like the videos, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.